Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So I thought I'd have a little bit of fun and create myself an Altoids survival tin. And this is not your usual YouTube BS survival tin. This is a no filler, no fluff, everyday carry, everyday use survival tin. What's inside of it are things that I can use on a daily basis. So let's take a look at the tin itself before we get into its contents. As you can see, it is a Altoids tin, but it's a cinnamon. Those are my favorite, actually. If you want to send me all your cinnamon Altoids, I greatly appreciate it. But all kidding aside, the only adulterated part of this tin is my sticker on the back here. So let's take a look at what I have going on the inside here. So the first items we see when we open this up are a couple Band-Aids, and I like to keep these front and center. If you've ever cut yourself, you know that you don't like to bleed all over everything and anything just trying to find some Band-Aids. So keeping these up front is very important. As you can see in my line of work, I use Band-Aids, and well, they are something that goes in my EDC all the time. So the next item, and I don't own a dog, but little doggy poop bags. This comes in very handy. You can use this as a makeshift glove. You can use it as a garbage bag. A lot of uses for a small bag here, a small plastic bag. Next few items, some medications. We have some ibuprofen, we have some Benadryl, and we have some anti-diarrhea. Some hand sanitizing gel. You can actually use this for a fire starter too if you wanted to, but that's not why I have it in here. I have it in here for its intended purpose. Well, continuing on with health and first aid, we have some liquid skin. And once you get the bleeding under control with a Band-Aid, you can put this on and help prevent some further infection if you need to, in conjunction with the Band-Aids and the sanitizing gel. Just be careful, the sanitizing gel just might burn. Alright, we have probably the smallest USB thumb drive. It's 128 gigabytes, and once it's plugged in, it's very inconspicuous. Put that right there. And the problem I have with these little kits here are when you have big fingers, it is very difficult to get everything out, and a lot of times the things in the very bottom, you have to pull everything out to get to, but that's part of the fun, I suppose. Next item is the Olight i3E EOS. It is an 80 lumen flashlight, and you can get these free practically with every Olight sale. Very functional flashlight. Next item, and not for its intended purposes, but we have a toothpick in here. Toothpicks come in very handy for many different reasons. We have some super glue with a nozzle. We have a roll of duct tape and electrical tape. That was fun making. That's wrapped around a little wooden skewer. I think it's very important to me, and it should be very important to you to smell good. And this is some cologne, some men's cologne. This is Salvatore Ferragoso. That is designer. I don't remember the scent, but it should be very important. Next item we have is a peanut lighter. It's probably the world's smallest lighter, and I like these here because they virtually keep the fluid, the lighter fluid, in there for an indefinite amount of time because of the O-rings. Then we have a compressed towel. This has saved my bacon on more than one occasion. You just add a little bit of water and it expands out to a cotton towel. And you can use it to wipe your hands, wipe your face, add a little bit of hand sanitizer, and it becomes a sanitizing wipe. Or if you are in a real bind, you can use it as toilet paper. Countycom NBC pen, a mini NBC pen, and not a very comfortable pen to use on a daily basis, but a very compact, very nice looking pen, especially for a little kit like this. It does have the top-up design on it. Next item is the Crest Scope Peppermint Breath Drops. These are very tasty, very helpful in keeping your breath minty clean. And continuing on with clean mouth and clean breath, we have an actual flosser to pick your teeth and to floss your teeth. Do you see a trend here? And last but not least, we have the Levergear Edge XT pry bar or multi-tool. This is probably about the most functional, compact multi-tool that you can get. This as obviously your pry tool. You have your two-dimensional Phillips head as well, and you can use the pry tool as a flathead. It has a package opener. You can use this hole right here as a wire stripper, and obviously we have our obligatory bottle opener and our bit hole here. We can put screwdriver bits in here, and most importantly we have the knife, the X-Acto knife, and not forgetting to mention the ruler on it. So that is my everyday carry, everyday survival, fully functional, no fluff, no BS survival tin, my Altoids survival tin. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it, and I actually challenge you to make one of your own. It is a lot of fun, and it is sometimes frustrating trying to fit everything you want in one of these, but once you realize what your main necessities are, you can really slim what you have and what you need down. So as always, I want to thank everyone for stopping in and checking out this video. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you next time.